This one thing is keeping you stuck in achieving your body composition goals. The most important thing to know, and this is a fact, is you can't mess this up. You cannot fail overall. The only way to be an overall failure in your body transformation goals is to give up on yourself completely forever. But you can make this shit incredibly hard. You can make it way harder than it needs to be, and you can make it take 3 to 5 times as long as it needs to take. And that is exactly what I'll be going over in today's video with you. We're gonna go over what that is, how to prevent it, and what you could do today to stop making it take longer than it needs to be. In this video, I'll go over how you can ruin an entire week or an entire month of progress in just a few days or just a week. Then of course, we'll go over how to avoid and prevent this from happening. Welcome back, it's Coach Ted, and you need to understand this right away. Gaining a bunch of fat's not gonna happen in one day, in 1 week. Just like all the fat that you gain that you wanna lose right now, didn't happen in a fucking day, didn't happen in a week, it happened over months or years. But when you're in a fat loss phase, if you're trying to lose fat right now, you need to understand this because this is what trumps so many people's goals. There's a bunch of amazing positivity in the fitness community, but there's a little too much, right? There's a little too much leeway, and there's some people not being real with you about messing up, because consistently messing up can fuck you up. It can make this thing take years to do, when in reality, you can lose a shit ton of weight in 6 months. So the thing that we're gonna talk about today is being amazingly perfect, disciplined, consistent for 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks even, 1 to 4 weeks, and then going off the fucking rails for 3 to 7 days. This can really make your fat loss phase take 3 to 5 times as long, and it could really make you feel frustrated, make you feel like giving up, and you might even give up on yourself because of that. We're gonna go over a few scenarios right now, so listen to which one sounds like which one you're in right now. Maybe it's a combination, and this is how you're gonna solve it if this is you. Situation number 1 is the baby. You're acting like a baby because you're trying to eat 800 to 1,000 fucking calories a day. A 10-month-old eats around that. If this is you, the solution is fucking easy. Stop being a baby. Stop eating like a baby and eat like a responsible adult. But seriously, increase your calories to at least 1,500. For most people, that's already an aggressive deficit and fat loss phase, right? Eating 1,500 calories a day is aggressive for most people already. So start there. If you're eating 800 to 1,000, you're asking to fuck yourself up. Situation number 2 is you're a weekend warrior. Monday through Thursday, you're a pro. Friday through Sunday, you're a hoe. But seriously, if you're overeating every single weekend and you're not over-restricting during the weekdays, you might need to stop partying so much. You can try at first to control yourself more when you're out with your friends or family partying, drinking, whatever, right? You can try to control yourself more first and reduce your intake when you're partying. But if that doesn't work, just fucking cut back on the partying. If you're serious about your goals, you will do that. If you're not serious about your goals, why the fuck are you watching this video? Number 3 is you're fat focused, okay? So if this is you, you would describe yourself as been trying to lose fat and weight for years. Number 1, if that's you, first of all, hire a coach like me or others like me, because if you've been trying to lose fat for years with no significant results, you need help. And I mean that with all the love. Number 2, it's time to stop focusing on fat loss for a while. If you've been trying to lose fat for years, you need to take 6 months of your life and try to build your body up. Stop trying to tear your body down and lose weight, become smaller, become thinner. And take 6 months trying to build your body up, build some muscle definition, build your metabolism up. Take away all that mental and physical fatigue that trying to lose weight for years has done to you. I want this video to be nice and short, so this is my last piece of advice to you. Be extreme as fuck. Be extremely strict with yourself for the next month. For the next month, I want you to constantly say no to any alcohol, say no to any processed food, only eat whole, clean, healthy food. Have a strict and rigid sleep schedule for the next month. Weight train 4 to 5 times per week for the next month. Go on a 30 to 60 minute walk every single day for the next month, and then track every single calorie and every single gram of protein you eat for the next month on a food scale and a food diary like Lose It or MyFitnessPal. Now, why am I telling you to do this? Why is a fucking personal trainer and nutrition coach telling me to be super unsustainable and strict and hate my life and do all this unsustainable shit? Because for most people, having that firsthand experience with both of the extremes, being extremely lazy and being extremely strict and rigid like a robot, finding your own balance in between those two is easiest when you've experienced firsthand both of them. And if you're like me, you've probably already experienced the fucking laziness, right? I mean, back in middle school, an average Friday night for me was eating a full 24-inch cheese pizza, no toppings, just straight cheese, with 4 liters of Mountain Dew, and then playing like 8 to 10 hours of Nazi Zombies Xbox Online with my friends. Extremely unhealthy. That's the shit that's gonna kill you if you do that every day, right? On the other end, what I just described, being super strict with your nutrition, your sleep, your training, your cardio, every aspect of your life to make you a better person, but also make you a fucking robot, finding the middle between those two, for you, is what's gonna help you the most, right? Finding that balance. All right, if you made it this far, I love you. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments, or you can email me at teddygorman@gmail.com. And if you found this video helpful, you want more videos on training, nutrition, and your mindset to help you get a better body, better life, better everything, hit subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll talk to you soon. Got a nice $10 remote, so now I don't have to walk up to the camera. I can just go.